I just wanted to show today how the new calendar is going to work on the website. We're hoping this makes it easier for y'all to find what's coming up next, when our signups for tickets or classes or different things like that. This will be located under the About Us section up here. You'll be able to click that and pull this up. And as you can see here, it is a Google Calendar, so it's really easy to play with. You can see we've got a bunch of things listed here so far in July, and you can go ahead and click any one of them, and you'll see the information about what it is, different times, if there's a specific time slot for this. For instance, this is when the Gaylord Texan rooms opened, the discounted rooms, and then usually under the description we'll have like a link to go to the page that actually you can perform this action. So class signups will have a link. Here's your hotel rooms, so you can go ahead and click this and it'll take you over to the Texas hotel room link, and you can click more details if you want to get, it'll open up another page and you'll get more information if there is any. And then there's also copy to my calendar. So if you have a Google Calendar, you can actually copy this over to your calendar and keep your own reminders or notes or whatever you want to do. So that's in the past. And then you can see, for instance, we've got our monthly Patreon chat. So if you're in Patreon, this is a great tool too, because we'll try to keep these preloaded in here. But there's, if you want to join Patreon, we'll have the link to join there. And then you've got to go to Patreon to get the actual link to the Zoom meeting if you're a part of that. And we'll have different things like, we have a meetup at LeakyCon this coming weekend, and Sew Magical Family Gathering at the sewing studio. We've got the address and the times and things like that. So that'll be in here. Class signups, it doesn't have a link yet because that's not available. And the other really cool thing about this is you can play with not just seeing it in the month mode, you can see the week. So let's say we get up to So Magical Florida in November, and you want to see all the different meetups that are going to be listed, and maybe you want to see what time the vendor hall opens. That'll all be listed here. So this will be a really great format during that weekend. You can kind of see each time block and what's going on. And if there's more than one thing going on at a time, this will get thinner and you'll have two things side by side. So really cool tool. The other neat thing is you can click agenda and you can see everything coming up. You can't see going back, but you can see everything coming up in this format. And you can kind of look and scan real quick, like, okay, where's the Tennessee tickets? So this is when we expect Tennessee tickets to open. When do we think Gaylord Opryland hotels are going to open? So on and so forth. So really, really fun tool to help y'all plan a little bit better and know what's coming up or what's going on. And that's all we wanted to show you today. So I hope you find this tool useful, and if you have any questions, always feel free to hit this contact us button, and I'll send us an email and we'll get back to you within a couple days. Everybody have a wonderful day.